Hey guys, I recently bought this flower fountain mini. I think it's 1.5 liter. Here you can see there, 1.5 liter. Cat really likes it, or probably just likes the box. We'll have to figure that part out. Yeah, so anyway, it does say mini, but I expected it to be a bit bigger than it is. You can tell by the pen size, it's tiny, not very high at all. I also have the 2 liter. So actually what happened was with the 2 liter, the motor broke. Okay, so it seems to be working. So let's unbox this. This should slide out. Don't have to cut it. Yep, there we go. As you can see, it's I mean, I know it says mini, but because I have that other one, I didn't expect it to be so short. Okay, seems pretty easy to set up. It comes with the Catit, I don't know, warranty card or something. And obviously the cat can play in the box. It's like their favorite toy. And there's a water fountain. So what's nice about it is my cat likes me to open the tap so that he can get the sensation of drinking where the water flows. So that's basically why I think anyone buys these water fountains. Yeah, so even though it is very tiny, or much tinier than I expected, it will give him that sensation. So yeah, take it out the plastic. Let's see if he wants to get in the box now. No, he's not interested. Just smelling. Okay, so this part is removable, and then there's your flower. So the flower just goes inside here. It doesn't like click. You just have to press it down. There's no click. But it goes down more. Okay, it doesn't. So it juts out about that much. Inside you get one filter. Oh, it's like a USB charger, what your cell phones use. Oh, the motor is tiny. Look at this motor. The other one was about double this. Yeah. Actually, what I was thinking of doing was taking this motor and using it in the bigger one, but I don't think I'd be able to do that. There's also some certificate on the plug by whoever it was distributed by. Doesn't seem to be focusing. There we go. Yorkshire. And it says, oh, it's UK and USA and Germany, so it's like a few places. Anyway, we don't really need that. We know the plug will work. So yeah, so you just put that in there, and it has a suction at the bottom, so you just need to put it in and it will suction, it will stick. Okay, there we go. It goes sideways like that, and then you plug the plug in, and that goes obviously in the wall, and this goes on top. So as you can see, these two are in line, and it will push the water up. Also, there is a cut here, so it doesn't stick up. And let's see, this, I'm guessing it may be here since there's a piece here, so we'll put that piece there. Oh yeah, and it fits so snug. I'm not sure where this goes. Oh, I know where it goes. There's no actual instructions here. I'm just doing it from memory of the last one, so it will probably go here. I'm not sure which way it goes. Just okay, there we go, at the back of the box. Yeah. Oh, it tells you that it comes with 3. I did not receive 3. I only received 1. Maybe someone stole the other ones, who knows. Okay, so the white is, I'm guessing, that's supposed to face inside. Okay, yeah, there we go. I just did that by fluke, but turns out it was correct. Yeah, I close it nicely. It's 6 down. You plug this into the wall, and oh, yes, before you switch it on, please fill water in it. Okay, that's it, guys.